Hey everyone, welcome back. If your microphone is not working on Discord in Windows, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually caused by settings, permissions, or outdated drivers. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your input device in Discord. Go to User Settings, Arrow Voice, and Video Arrow Input Device. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. Also, test it using the Mic Test button to confirm it's working. Step 2. Check your Windows microphone settings. Go to Settings Arrow Privacy and Security Arrow Microphone. Make sure microphone access for this device and allow apps to access your microphone are turned on. Step 3. Check input volume and sensitivity. In Discord's voice and video settings, adjust input volume and make sure automatically determine input sensitivity is enabled. You can also manually set the sensitivity to ensure your voice is picked up. Step 4. Restart Discord and your PC. Sometimes the issue is temporary. Close Discord completely from Task Manager, then reopen it. Restarting your PC can also fix minor glitches. Step 5. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as administrator. This ensures Discord has full permission to access your microphone. Step 6. Update your audio drivers. Go to Device Manager, Arrow Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click your microphone, and choose Update Driver. Outdated drivers are a common cause of mic issues. Step 7. Disable exclusive control in Windows. Go to Control Panel, Sound, Recording, Microphone, Properties, Advanced, and uncheck Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device. Step 8. Check third-party apps. Other apps like OBS, Zoom, or Voicemeeter might block your microphone. Close them and test Discord again. Most microphone issues happen because Discord is using the wrong device. Permissions are blocked or drivers are outdated. Follow these steps and your Discord mic should work perfectly again. See you in the next guide.